Okay, so here's this kit all dried and ironed up, and this kit came to be in existence simply because I had some leftover orange dye from the steamed video that I just put out. So I didn't want to waste it, and I just went out and grabbed a whole bunch of aspen leaves off the ground in my yard, and I just literally filled each page with them. This is Canson 8.5 by 5.5 inch paper, just like Master's Touch. Mixed media paper. I left that part out, but just like Master's Touch, the Canson makes the same size, 8.5 by 5.5. So that's what I've used here. I did not use any watercolor paper to sandwich this kit together. It was such a quickie kit, so here it is. So you end up getting these great pages. I didn't put any leaves because I was in such a rush to just get it done. I had so much going on that day, but this kit came out really, really fun too, I think. And you know, I just don't like to waste paint or dye or any of that stuff, so I wanted to go ahead and do this, and it came out fun. I think the Canson mixed media paper definitely is a little bit higher quality than the Master's Touch, and it is reflected in the price too. Canson is a little bit more expensive, at least in my area, so it would make sense. I just seem to get better details out of the Canson. The Master's Touch does a good job. I just think the Canson does a little better. Look at these color variations in here, really neat. And I did no placement of the leaves. I took no time at all. I literally just threw them on and went for it, and I think it came out fun, and I want to do some more of that. Just really get a lot of leaves next season and pile them up really thick on the pages. Now this kit will be in my shop as well, and I think this is going to be part of the warm cider series. I just really like it for the warm cider. I think this one will be warm cider kit 2. I have to look if I don't already have a warm cider kit too. I don't think I do. So it's definitely going to be warm cider. It'll either be 2 or 3 for sure. And it is below in the description box. I just haven't, as you're watching, I haven't done that part quite yet. But it'll be all ready to go. Look at the layering of these. I just love to see how they all piled on top of each other and then printed in those layers. I think I showed this. So another way of doing it, just throwing all your leaves right on top. This page tore a little bit when I pulled it off the pan. It was partially dry. And then I just threw, there was this loose leaf in the pan, and I threw it right there, but another infamous barbecue sheet. So that's it for this kit, and this truly, truly, truly concludes my eco dyeing season. Now we're gonna start moving into collage work, and I want to do some watercolor paintings too. I'd really like to just do some straight up watercolor art, just to kind of decompress and transition from the eco dyeing season into the collage and painting season for me. So thanks again for stopping by, and if you haven't subscribed yet, of course I invite you to, as always, and like and share this video if you've got friends who are really into eco dyeing. I have a ton of it here on my channel, and I'm glad you came, and I will see you soon. Have a great day.